It's me again, Alvin. Today is a very special day, so we are going to Tanjung Malim right now, okay? So the reason why we go to the Tanjung Malim is because now currently we're facing some transportation issue, but we don't want our customer to wait, okay? We need to deliver the car on time. So we direct go to Tanjung Malim, the factories of the Proton, to collecting the car by today. Okay, let's go. Okay, finally we are here. So about 45 minutes of driving lah. So finally we are here. So we are waiting right now. We at Pintu 4. Okay, so you can see many outlets is waiting right now. At least we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 outlets is waiting right now. Okay, and this is our team. So we will be collecting about 10 cars today. So but we still waiting. So let's see.
A few moments later.
Wait! Wow! We eat first. Very long queue to wait. You see many people. Okay? Wait first, ah.
One eternity later.
Hello! Finally, you see the clock is 3 o'clock. Okay? The first car come out. Okay? So first thing we need to do is install the number plate first, okay? So you see this one, my Leng Zai is installing the number plate. Okay, so you can see still many people is waiting right now. We've been waiting like, we reach here is 11 or 4 hours. What? So I hope the comings out, 9 more units we have to collect. It's coming out, okay? Let's see.
Meanwhile,